So today I decided to clean up my phone and free up some space. And I come across this series of photos and a video of a drawing that I did back in 2016 of Toni Morrison. I haven't seen these pictures in a while, so I decided to put together a collage in a video form so that I can show you the steps or this series of photos that it took to get to the end of this. Let me know what you think. Well, here it is. Taking on this image of Toni has given me more than I thought I was going to have to do. The hair has been a complete challenge. I will be finished with this by the end of the day. Actually, before the end of the day. So, as you can see, I don't have much more to do. I've tackled the majority of this side. I have this area to finish, and then this area, and then I am done. Did not know it was going to take me this long, but I'm thankful, always. Sometimes it takes me looking back to appreciate some of the things that I've done. And I realize now that I probably, even though not my intention, have taken some of my work for granted. I appreciate it now.